Hands are going to be up like this. Bend your knees. So the cover song just goes to Old MacDonald, and it goes like this. Run your fingers through your hair, put them by your ear. 1, 2, 3 times, don't worry. Cover, cover everywhere. One more time we cheer. Aya! Aya! And what you're doing, watch, is you take your hand, because a cover is really like this is like it's an MMA move. It's basically if someone's going to swing at you, boom, or someone's going to blast you with a shin kick. You're not going to block it with your arm, or this bone is going to get broken. So what you do is you protect yourself by a cover where you grab onto the back of your neck and you hold on. So whatever's coming, it's just all the meat takes it. So it's the same exact thing where if someone's going to kick you in your side, in your ribs, you just cover up like that, and then your arm takes the brunt energy up. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's do it 2 more times. Like I said, all these videos are on there. Middle block, high block, duck, jump, side block, hammer fist, knee strike, front stomp, down chop. Those are all in the videos, and the other ones are yoga stuff too. Okay, so hands up like this. Ready, set, go. Run your fingers through your hair, put them by your ear. Cover, cover everywhere. One more time, we cheer. Aye, aye.